this place up here.
Oh my gosh, bro.
Dude. This is what they were talking about.
There's a police smell in the air too, do you notice? Look at that gas station.
Completely.
And this is probably not even nearly as bad as it looks. I bet they've cleaned it up tremendously.
There's probably crap all over the
All
road.
over. Cars probably piled up and stuff.
Yep, that gas station is gone.
They've already started rebuilding.
Yep. That's illegal.
Look at this rubble.
Yeah.
Look at that. Oh my. That was a
Waffle House.
Oh my god, dude, that's the hotel. They said the people went into the hotel and it killed them.
They killed them?
They got off the freeway to get into the safety of the hotel, and the storm
pulverized.
warm.